Open Adobe Photoshop, then go to the File menu and click Open. Browse your computer, select the image you want to edit, and click Open to load it into the workspace. Once your image is ready, select the lasso tool from the toolbar and carefully draw a selection around the forehead area where you want to increase the hairline. Try to make the selection as smooth and accurate as possible for a more natural-looking result. After making the selection, press Ctrl+J to duplicate the selected area onto a new layer so you can edit it without affecting the original image. Next, press Ctrl+T to activate Free Transform. Then right-click inside the transform box and choose Warp. Using the warp handles, gently stretch and reshape the forehead until it blends naturally with the rest of the face. Take your time, making small adjustments, as subtle changes usually produce the most realistic results. Once you're happy with the shape, click Done or press Enter to apply the transformation. Finally, select the eraser tool. Use a soft brush and carefully erase any excess edges or visible lines to smooth out the edit. Continue blending until the transition looks clean and seamless. And once everything looks natural, your forehead hairline adjustment is complete. Great job! With just a few Photoshop tools and a little patience, you've successfully created a natural-looking forehead extension that enhances the portrait while keeping the edit realistic and professional.